everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me. If you're new, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Today I'm working on this beautiful abstract acrylic fluid pour. Now it took me a few tries to get to this, but I don't give up, so I kept going until I loved it, and now I love it. It is so beautiful. I love the colors and I love the composition. So keep watching to see how this was created. Okay, so that took a number of tries. It doesn't always work out for me, but I keep going until I end up with something that I really like. And I love this one too. I love the blue kind of coming from behind and peeking out in different areas. Once it's dry, I might just paint in some more blue on this section here. I think it would balance it out a little bit better. But I love that blue coming through there and through there. And the lacing on this is absolutely beautiful. I will definitely take pictures and show you when it's dry. And here it is all dried up. I just love the way it looks. Look at the blue kind of peeking through here and there. And I did add that bit of blue here to balance the whole thing out. Look at that gold shining through. It's just beautiful. It did take me a little while to get to this point. I don't know what happened. It just is that way sometimes. It doesn't work out like I think in my mind. But I keep going. I keep going until I love the painting. And I do love this painting now. I love the negative space on it as well. I think it works so well. If you click on the link you see now, you can see a lot more of my fluid pours.